I've been using PayPal to receive payments for the past 3 years, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create your own PayPal account in just 2 easy steps. Let's hit it. PayPal is an online payment system that allows individuals and businesses to send and receive money securely. The main reason I, and I imagine many others, use it is simple. I live in South Africa, but most of my clients don't. If I'm working with someone from, let's say, the UK, they can't just transfer money into my local bank account because we're using 2 different currencies. That's where PayPal comes in. PayPal lets you accept payments from almost any country in any currency. This is perfect for businesses whose customer base is international, like me as a freelancer. I use PayPal to take payments mostly in USD and in other foreign currencies. The first thing we'll need to get started is an email. It doesn't really matter which email service you use, but I'll be using my Gmail account. Once you have that, head on over to paypal.com and click on sign up. Now you'll need to choose an account type. Personal accounts let you receive money from your family and friends and get access to funds instantly. Business accounts let you accept payments from customers as you grow your business. But heads up, there's one downside to business accounts: buyer protection. Basically, PayPal can hold the money you receive from customers for up to 21 days. This gives buyers enough time to raise disputes if they don't receive the service or product they paid for. It might sound harsh, but over time, once you build trust and complete more transactions, the whole period reduces. And this is not really a downside because it will give your customers peace of mind. Another cool option of business accounts is the donation option. If you are terminally online like me, then you've probably seen donation links in your favorite YouTuber's page. We're going to pick a business account and click on get started to continue. In here, we're going to need to input your first name, last name, and email. Then create a strong password. Make sure it's strong, don't use something like password 123. After that, check this box here to accept the terms and conditions. Then click on create account to start the account creation process. Then of course, we have to prove to the machine that we are not machines. Shout out to reCAPTCHA, the internet's most useless bouncer.
Stop! You violated the law.
To confirm your email, just click on send code, then enter the one-time PIN sent to your email into the next page. On the next page, you are allowed to skip the business setup and start using your account immediately, but I recommend we handle it now. If you don't, PayPal is going to ask you to complete this step when you receive payments anyways. The first thing we'll need to do in the business setup is pick what type of business we're running. There are basically 2 types. The sole proprietorship is basically a business that is owned by one person, and the business or company is for registered businesses with a team and legal structure. I'm going to pick sole proprietorship because I'm an individual seller. Next, we'll need to fill in details about ourselves. This includes full name, date of birth, phone number, and residential address. Then, we'll move on to information about our business. My business is called Vector Media Solutions. We're going to skip the business registration number and VAT ID because they are optional. Leave the currency as USD, then pick software as the type of service we offer. For the business website, you can input a link to a YouTube channel if you have one, or a portfolio. Then check this box here if you are providing your service from your residential address. After that, all you have to do is click on save and we're all set. You can now start using your PayPal account to invoice customers and receive payments. But before you leave, please make sure that you enable 2-factor authentication in your settings to protect your account and avoid getting hacked. Don't skip this step. After you're done with that, click on this video here to learn how to make invoices, or click this one here to learn how to get your donation link. Please like the video and subscribe, then hit the bell icon to help me grow the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.